Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this dog in a bag hack on Dress to Impress. You do need VIP for this specific bag here. Let me see what toggle it is. I think it's the on shoulder toggle, and I'm just going to color it like a pink color. You can use a pattern for this. I'll do this pattern actually. So for the first item, we will be using this masculine hair. So if I go to masculine, I go use this one, and I'm just going to color brown. Then for the position, the X at 0.19, the Y at 0.07, the Z at 0.43, rotate the X to 0.32, the Y to 1, and the Z to 0. Then we're going to scale it to 0.03. Then for the second, okay, let's do this hair now. Actually, where is it? In masculine 2, we're going to use this hair. I'm just going to color it brown for now. And then for the adjustments, it's X at 0.19, Y at 0, Z at 0.32, and then rotate the, okay, no rotation needed, and then scale it all the way to 0. Sorry, this tutorial is a little bit long, so then for this one, I'm just going to use the masculine hair, this one in brown. For this one, position the X to 0.22, the Y at 0, the Z at 0.32, rotate the, okay, no rotation, and scale it to 0. Sorry if you can hear people yelling. I'm watching paper hacks right now. Okay, that's it for the hair. Looks like kind of a dog already, right? Like, hello. Okay, next we're going to grab this. I'm gonna grab this one first. For the ears, I'm going to color it like brown and like, I don't know, like peach pink-ish. And then for that one would be position the X at 0.21, and then the the Y at 0.03, the Z at 0.43, and we're going to scale it all the way to 0.09. Oh my gosh, it looks like a dog. So cute. Okay, sorry. Getting sidetracked at this point. Then I'm going to get the pearl earrings. I'm guessing in like black. For this one, you'll need to position the X at 0.33, the Y at 0.15, the Z at 0.37, whoops, rotate the X to 0.40, oh my gosh, sorry, I didn't even, rotate the X to 0.49, the Y at 0, the Z at 0.56, and scale it all the way to 0.39. Like so. Okay, that is for the nose actually, not for the eyes. We need 1, 2, 3 more. Wait, we need 4 more items. Okay, so I don't know what color the earrings would be, so I'm just going to put them on first, these ones. And then for that one, you'll need to position the X at 0.29, the Y at 0.05, the Z at 0.33, rotate the X to 0.53, the Y at 0, the Z is also at 0, and so we're going to scale it all the way to, wait, what? Did I do this correctly? I guess it's right, but I'm like opening my like notes. What? I don't think that's correct. I'm just going to not use this one. I'm sorry for wasting your time on that one. We're just gonna add 3 more items. Let's use the whiskers here, not the cat ears, in like black and like maybe black too. So we're going to position it at 0.19, the Y at 0.17, the Z at 0.37, and we're going to scale it to 0.43. Now for the eyes, okay, I might make that, I'm not going to make it lower. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm going to use these, wait, where's the horn at? Oh, this one in black. For that one, we are going to position the X at 0.19, the Y at 0.009, sorry, 0.09, Z at 0.47, and we're going to rotate the X to 0, and we're going to scale it to 0.12. These are just for the eyes. And you can add like a bow. This is like the last thing you need to add if you want to. Just going to color mine white for this. For the bow, I'm going to position the X at 0.19, the Y at 0.25, the Z at 0.39, wait, 35, sorry. And then rotate the X to 0.33, the Y at 0.69, the Z at 0.40, and then scale it, sorry, to 0.35 for the bow. Again, you can use like any pattern that you'd like to, or not use the bow at all, but yeah, that is it. It looks weird from the back. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!